So you guys know me, I'm pretty fucking hard on my gear. I broke 3 O3 air units this summer, which is not outside of the ordinary for me. I went through like 6 Vistas and 2 OG air units in a year. So just 3 over the summers, not that bad durability wise. But you may remember about a month ago, I sent off to DJI to have them repair one to see what they would charge and what it would cost. I sent off just the air unit itself, no antennas, no camera, no MIPI cable, just the air unit itself. That went off and they received it today, or received it yesterday, processed it, and contacted me to tell me that they're going to charge $166 to replace it. That just covers the actual air unit. So if you just go buy a brand new O3 air unit, they're $169. So I got a $3 discount for sending it off to DJI for them to do repairs. Fuck you, DJI. Fuck you.